Dear brothers and sisters, hope you are doing good. Some of us believe that we are not good. No one loves us and think low of ourselves. This might have happened because people constantly degrade you or your parents belittle you for little mistakes. You might think that I am useless. I shouldn't have been born. You might think low of yourself because of their words. But is this first place? Why would you believe in their words? Why would you think that their words define your worth? Why would you believe you are not good enough? When you are the reason so many people smile and believe that good people exist. Dear brothers and sisters, your brain believes whatever you think. If you think you are of no worth, if you think you are useless, if you always think negative, then your life will become like this. Who are people to decide your worth? When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves you more than a mother loves her child, who are they to tell you that no one loves you? When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, take one step towards me, I'll come to you running. Your kindness is contagious. There are so many people who laugh a little more because of you. There are so many people who silently make dua for you because you help them. Someone changed his life because of your kind and positive words. This world of people of this dunya cannot dictate your worth. Only your deeds can. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala chose you to be a Muslim. He chose you to be born in this dunya. Why? Because you are worth it. He knew you could be a beautiful and kind person. He knew that this dunya would become a better place because of you. Do you think what? People are jealous and insecure of you. But why? Because they knew that you have that potential. They knew that you are kind and can do anything. They want to degrade you because they can't see you successful. It's not about money or intelligence, fame. It's about what kind of person you are. We have so many doctors, engineers, teachers, writers, etc. But this dunya lacks kind-hearted people. If you are a good person, why would you believe in their opinions about you? You can't control your opinions, but you can control your opinion you have of yourself. This is what matters. As long as you are working hard, minding your own business, nothing will affect you. Only those who are working less than you have time to criticize you. It's hard to live in an environment where no one appreciates you, where everyone degrades you. But dear brothers and sisters, this is your test. You need to fight this. You don't need to take their words seriously. You need to ignore them, and you can do it. It's impossible. If you have Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then you don't need anything or anyone else. Your relationship with your Lord should be strong. Your iman should be strong. You should always be satisfied in the decisions of your Rabb. There are things that are not in our hands, so don't blame yourself. Change things that are in your control, like your thoughts, mindset, hard work. Don't think low of yourself. You are very precious in the sight of your Lord. This world is a test. So don't cry to be loved by this dunya. Work hard to be loved by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And then Jannah would be your final destination. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created you for a reason. Don't waste time in being depressed because no one cares. Literally, people don't care. Only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does. So be hopeful. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves those who are patient and hopeful. He will show you the right way as long as your intentions are pure. Don't lose hope in the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Don't give up on your life. It will all be alright.